Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Exercise 10.4. Some problem, 4 problems are completed. So today we are going to the next problem. Okay, 3 problems are completed. Next, 4th problem. Okay. Show that A bar minus B bar cross A bar plus B bar is equal to 2 into A bar cross B bar. Important one. Okay, clear? Solution LHS A minus B, A bar minus B bar cross A bar plus B bar, that is equal to same normal multiplication A minus B into A plus B, A minus B into A plus B, A into A, first A into A, next A into B, B into A, B into B. Into means here, into means cross, same as it is. Only here into is nothing but cross. The remaining procedure is normal procedure. First A cross A bar cross A bar, plus into plus. Next plus into plus, plus A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar. Next minus into plus, minus B bar cross A bar. Next minus into plus, minus B bar cross B bar. A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Same vector cross product to 0. Okay. Adhe same vector dot product to 1. Okay. So plus A bar cross B bar. This is minus B cross A. Minus B cross A is equal to, this is minus of A bar cross B bar, minus 0. So that is equal to A bar cross B bar minus of minus plus A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross B bar is equal to 2 into A bar cross B bar. This is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Here what did we use the formulas? Which formulas we have to use? Which formulas? A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Same vector, not A, only A bar cross A bar, B bar cross B bar also 0. A bar cross B bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. So B bar cross A bar is equal to minus of A bar cross B bar. The both formulas we are used in this problem. Next to 5th problem. Find lambda and mu. If 2i plus 6j plus 27k, 2i plus 6j plus 27k cross I plus lambda j plus mu k is equal to 0 bar, 0 vector. So we have two methods. First method is A cross B. A cross B, find the lambda and mu. A cross B, how to find out A cross B? A cross B procedure. What is A cross B? A bar is a vector, B bar is a vector. A cross B is equal to, what is the procedure? Determinant of procedure. IJK, first vector and second vector. This is also A, say B, A cross B. That is the first one. So first method, 2I plus 6j plus 27k plus cross I plus lambda j plus mu k is equal to 0 bar. 0 bar is in 0 into I plus 0 into j plus 0 into k. This is 0 bar. 0 is equal to only 0. So 0 bar is a 0 vector. 0 bar all components are 0. So first next 2 into the element into the 3 elements plus 6j into these 3 elements. This is the procedure. 2 into I cross I plus 2 into lambda, 2 into lambda, 2 lambda into I cross j. Next, plus 2 into mu, 2 mu into I cross k, I cross k. Okay, first one completed. Next, plus 6 into I, 6 into j cross I, 6 into you. Next 6 into lambda, 6 lambda into j cross j. Next plus 6 into mu, 6 mu into j cross k plus next 27 into k cross I plus 27 into lambda k cross j plus 27 into mu k cross k is equal to 0I 0j equal to 0 bar. Hint, you know, cross product, some note, I cross I, j cross j, k cross k is equal to 0. I cross j is equal to k. K cross j cross k is equal to I. K cross I is equal to j. So I cross I 0, I cross j 0, I cross k, I cross k. So I cross k is equal to minus j, k cross j is equal to minus I, j cross I is equal to minus k. These all are points, important points. Okay. Next, so 2 into I cross I is equal to 0, I cross I is equal to 0 plus 2 lambda into I cross j is equal to k, I cross k is equal to k plus 2 mu plus 2 into mu is equal to I cross k is equal to minus j, I cross I is equal to minus j. Next plus next one 6 into j cross I is equal to minus k, 6 into minus k. Next j cross j plus 6 lambda into j cross j is equal to 0, 6 mu into j cross k, 6 mu into j cross k. J cross k is equal to I plus next 27 k cross I. 27 I cross k is equal to minus j. K cross I is equal to j. Next 27 lambda plus 27 lambda into k cross j. K cross j is equal to minus I. K cross j is equal to minus I. Next 27 mu. 27 mu into k cross k is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Totally 2 into 0 0. That implies 2 lambda into k minus 2 mu into j minus 6k plus 6 mu I plus 27j minus 27 lambda is equal to 0. All k's one side, all j's ij's case. How many i's? Only 27 lambda into I. 27 lambda into I. I's 2's, j's 2's. First I comma. I comma here 6 mu minus 27 lambda plus j common. J common j 27 minus 2 mu into j plus k common. K is equal to 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay. Comparing both sides. Comparing both sides means i's jj's equal. 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0. Next 27 minus 2 mu is equal to 0. Next, so here 2 mu is equal to 27. Mu is equal to 27 by 2. Here next third one 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 lambda is equal to 3. So lambda is equal to 3. Lambda 3. You see mu is equal to 27 by 2. Three comma 27 by 2. This is one of the procedure. ORR, second procedure. ORR is equal to, in the given problem, solution given A bar. A bar is equal to 2i plus 6j minus 27k. B bar is equal to plus 27 minus 27 plus 27k plus 27k. B bar is equal to I plus lambda j, I plus lambda j plus mu k. This is second method. This is the first method. This is second method. So A cross B is equal to 0. What will given? Given condition A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. Now we have to find out A bar cross B bar. I, j, k, 1 lambda. First row I, j, k. Second row A matrix I lambda. What is A bar? A bar is equal to 2, 6 27. B bar is equal to 1 lambda mu is equal to 0 bar. So plus minus plus. So that implies equal to 0 bar I into the corresponding column, corresponding row deleted, 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j into corresponding column and row deleted 2 mu minus 1 into 27 plus k into corresponding column row 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0 bar. 0 bar is equal to what? 0 into I plus 0 into j plus 0 into k. Comparing both sides, comparing components both sides. I equal j equal 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0 minus of 2 mu minus 27 is also 0. Next 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 mu is equal to 27. Mu is equal to 27 by 2. 2 lambda is equal to 6. Lambda is equal to 3. This is the first method. This is the determinant method. Both are same method. Okay. Both are equal methods. Your own interest, you have to do any first method or second method. This is the direct method. This is the determinant method. 4, 5, only 5. Next to sixth problem. Okay. Normal, the determinant method A cross B. First problem, second problem type. Okay. Sixth problem. So here sixth problem. Given A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 means what? A bar is perpendicular to B bar. A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. So A and B are perpendicular to each other. Now second condition is A bar cross B bar is equal to 0. That implies A bar is parallel to B bar. So we can conclude about the vectors A and B bar. So A bar, A is perpendicular to A bar, A and B are perpendicular, A and B are parallel. So what is A bar? A bar is equal to 0 or B bar is equal to 0. Oh. Either mod A bar equal to 0 or mod B bar equal to 0. Next to seventh problem. Seventh problem is a big problem, so there is no gap. First, next to eighth problem. Either A bar equal to 0. What is the given condition? Given either A bar is equal to 0 or B bar is equal to 0. Either A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0. Then A bar cross B bar is equal to 0. A bar cross B bar 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ A ಬಾರು B ಬಾರು 0 either A bar or B bar 0 ಅಂದರೆ A bar cross B bar 0 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ A bar cross B bar equal 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A bar B bar 0 ಬಾರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸು ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ A bar and B bar ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್. A bar, B bar, the both vectors are same means that cross product also same. Same vector, same ratio vector. Okay, so A bar cross B, either A bar equal 0, B bar equal, A bar equal 0, B bar, either any one of the A bar, B bar 0, then A bar cross B bar equal 0, okay. But converse means what? This is left to right already given. You have to prove right to left. What is right to left? A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. Then compulsory A bar B bar 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Need not be. Already 10.3 dot product also have to prove. Okay. So because A bar cross A bar is equal to what? A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. A bar cross A bar equal 0. So A bar B bar same vector andre kuda cross product 0 ne. So ratio equal identical vectors also vector 0. So for example, A bar is equal to I plus J. B bar is equal to I plus J. A bar B bar equal. So A bar cross B bar is equal to I J K. So 1 1 0 1 1 0 plus minus plus. So that is equal to I into the column rows cancel 1 into 0 1 into 0 minus j into the corresponding column row 0 1 0 0 1. So also 0 plus k into the corresponding row column deleted 1 minus 1 also 0. The totally 0 bar. So if A bar cross B bar is equal to 0, then either A bar B bar, either A bar equal 0 need not be, then need not be. A bar cross B bar is equal to 0, then need not be equal to either A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0. Once again, this is the fifth problem. Cross product 0 bar. 0 bar means 0 vector. 0 bar plus 0j plus 0k plus 0k. So this is the first procedure. Second procedure, determinant procedure. Okay. Next, third or sixth one, given A bar dot B bar equal 0 and A bar cross B bar equal 0, then what about A bar and B bar? So A bar dot B bar is equal 0 means A bar is perpendicular to B bar. A bar cross B bar is equal 0 means A bar is parallel to B bar. So both we have to prove mod A bar equal 0 and mod B bar equal to 0, because next, given either A bar equal 0, B bar equal 0, then A bar cross B bar equal to 0. If A bar, either A bar equal 0, B bar equal 0, then compulsory A bar cross B bar equal 0, because A bar is a 0 vector, B bar is a 0 vector. Any vector, both are 0 or any one of A bar and B bar 0, then must be A bar cross B bar is also 0 is given. So converse, we have to prove converse means what? Left to right already given, fixed, but right to left we have to prove. What is the right to left? What is the right? A bar cross B bar equal to 0 vector. If A bar cross B bar equal 0 vector, then compulsory A bar B bar 0 na. Either A bar B bar 0 na. Compulsory alla. Yaku. For example, A bar equal I plus A. A bar is I plus A is 0 vector? Is not a 0 vector. Non-zero vector. B bar is also I plus j. This is also non-zero vector. So non-zero A bar is a non-zero vector and B bar is a non-zero vector. A bar cross B bar value equal to what? 0 vector. So A bar cross B bar equal to 0, then need not be either A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0. Compulsory alla. Okay, A bar 0 or B bar 0 andre A bar cross B bar 0 ne, okay. But compulsory A bar cross B bar 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A bar B bar ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೋ? Example, A bar is non-zero vector, B bar is non-zero vector, A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. So need not be either A bar equal 0 or B bar equal to 0. This is the problem. Okay, clear? Okay.